Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I've been receiving a lot of inquiries about affiliate marketing. So today I decided to do a video about basically going through what affiliate marketing is and how to get started. My name is Anne. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Hit the subscribe button below so you join the family, and that way you also don't miss any of the videos that I upload weekly. Let's get started. Now, affiliate marketing basically is referring people for a pay. So you refer people to a site to buy a product or a service, and you get paid a commission once this customer that you sent to the site makes a purchase. A good example that I want to take you through is Amazon Associates. I did a video about how to become an Amazon affiliate. I'll link it down below. If you haven't watched that video, it's good that you watch it so that you learn how to get started. Now, this is the Amazon Associate site where you earn up to 10% commission for every product that you sell. And as we all know, Amazon Associate is the biggest retail market globally, and they ship anywhere in the world. So you can become an associate and earn a commission every time anyone buys anything, as long as it's done within the period that is highlighted. I think Amazon is about 24 hours. Once someone clicks your link and they make a purchase within 24 hours, you will earn a commission. They have a lot of products, and so you can narrow down to the needs that you want to concentrate on. This is Amazon site, and as you can see, you can join now for free. You join now and you're able to market any of the product that you want to deal with. There are other sites that I'm going to share with you that you can earn even more than 10. This is 10%, up to 10% with Amazon, but there are sites that you can earn about 30%, 50% on every purchase that you made through your link. So what makes affiliate marketing attractive? One is that you don't have to go through the hassle of coming up with your own products, marketing it. You don't have to go through all that. Your job is just to become a marketer. The other thing you don't have to worry about is customer service. You don't have to worry about customer service. You just refer people to the site, they make a purchase, and then the company will deal with customer service issues. The other thing is that you don't have to worry about storage. You don't have to store the products. You just need to market products on behalf of someone else or another company, and your job is done. Affiliate marketing is also not an expensive way to make money. You can use free traffic and drive traffic to your link, or you can also use paid advertising. So the basic things that you may need as you start is a YouTube channel. You can open a website. I did a video about how to start a website with $5. Personally, I have a website that I pay $5 every month, and it works very well. So I believe that can work for you too as you begin. You can also open social media accounts with different platforms like the Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and you can be able to market affiliate products through these means. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? The first thing is to decide on what you want to market. Do you want to market kitchen wares? Do you want to market clothes? Are you in fashion? Do you like hair? Would you like to start marketing digital products? So coming up or deciding on the product that you want to be marketing is called selecting a niche. So that is what you need to begin with. At this point, you may be asking, which are the most profitable products to market? From experience, the most profitable products are the digital products and the softwares. The reason why they pay more is that customers tend to stay with the companies more than as compared to a customer who want to buy a shoe and maybe walk away and buy another one. the next year. Most of these companies pay 30 to 40%. So it's really a good income that one can be able to make if you're able to market these products. You can also make a lot of money marketing the other smaller products that go for less amounts if you're able to drive big numbers. For example, if you come up with a website that talks about shoes, you do reviews about a certain sports shoe, and you get people buying. If you're able to drive numbers, for example, like 20 sales every day, even if you're being paid 5% per shoe, then that means you can actually be able to even make more than this person who is selling softwares, because you're marketing, you're working with more numbers. On the same note, it's important to note that most of these software companies pay recurring commission. For example, if you're able to sign up a company that needs a VPN software and they're paying monthly, then you'll also get paid your commission monthly. So compare and see which niche you want to go into. The second thing that you need to do is to choose the product. You want to go with the product that is already in the market. It has a review, people believe in it, and so it will be easy for you to start marketing it. So now you need to start researching on the particular product that you want to market. So as you begin, don't go for products that are new in the market. Go for products that are already proven in the market and have affiliate marketing their products. And if you see a product that has been in the market and people are marketing it, then it means it's a good product, and that company is actually taking care of its affiliates, because we have cases of companies that don't pay their affiliates, or payment takes long, or they just have issues. So go for products that are in the market, and they're also good products, and they'll be easy to sell. That brings us to step number 3. Step number 3 is where you choose a platform. You choose a platform to be able to market these products. So having a website is having a platform, is having a business online. And it's not complicated and expensive to start a website. I say that I have a website that cost me $5 every month. I'm going to link it down below. You can start your own website at $5 monthly. You can also choose to pay quarterly or yearly. It's up to you. But I find it very flexible. Now, I talked about having a website, that's a platform. You can choose to open an Instagram, that is a platform. You can have a YouTube and create content, that is a great platform. If you're able to get the keywords and drive traffic, you're actually able to get free traffic without spending any money. You're able to market the products. Facebook is another platform that you can choose to use, and also landing page. Landing page is just like having a website, but then this one is more specific because it allows you to make sales and collect emails through the softwares. In another video, I'll show you how to use the ClickFunnels and GetResponse softwares as landing pages. They're really, those two, I find those two easy, user friendly. I find them user friendly, and you can be able to get started right away using them. Now, as you begin affiliate marketing, you may not have the money or the resources to start with doing advertisement, because, of course, they cost money. For example, with Facebook marketing, it may cost you $5 to $20 per day to get started, to show your product to quite a number of people who are likely to make a purchase. Now, you can choose to begin with free traffic, and this is where website, YouTube, those two comes in. If you're able to combine the website and YouTube, then you can start to create an income with free traffic. With website, what you need to do is create content around that particular product. For example, if you choose to market headphones, then you can do a review around different headphones. and then leave a link, within your content. So leave a link, and every time someone purchases that product, you get to earn a commission. And the beauty about creating content through websites or YouTube is that your content do not expire unless you pull off your blog or delete it, or just pull off your whole website. So your content will remain, and you will keep getting commission from that product year in, year out. Same as YouTube. Create content, do a review of a product. If you have a product, for example, if I want to do a review about my phone, this is Oppo. If I want to do a review about Oppo, I can choose to do a YouTube video about it. And every time someone purchases through the link that I'll leave at the description, then I will get a commission. I'm going to highlight a few companies that you can get started with. There's Amazon Associate, there's ClickBank. ClickBank allows almost all countries in the world, but a few of them are not allowed. Digistore is still new but doing very well. There's JVZoo. JVZoo deals a lot with softwares, and also Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus deals with softwares and also digital products. ShareSale. ShareSale is almost like Amazon, and now Max Bounty. So these are some of the few. There are very many out there. You can check out more at OfferVault. With OfferVault, you'll be able to see quite a number of offers, and you can be able to search and see which companies are marketing the product that you'd want to get started with. If you want to get started with some certain softwares and you don't know which company could be marketing it, you just need to go to OfferVault, and you'll be able to see which company you can market through. So you just need to sign up with that particular company, and you'll get your special link. Start marketing, and start earning an income. You can actually make unlimited income with affiliate marketing. It's a great way of making an income. You just need to work hard, be persistent, and don't give up. You don't expect to see commission dropping in, immediately. Especially when you're using free traffic. Free traffic takes some time, but if you have the money, you can go for paid advertising. With paid advertising, you're likely to see income much quicker. Like if you choose to use Facebook advertisement, Google ads, Bing ads, Instagram ads, you can actually be able to see an income coming through immediately. But well, that's for another lesson. I'll create another video that will take you through how to create Facebook ads and Google ads under paid advertising. So, but basically you can start with free traffic. Start by creating a YouTube channel, and also creating a website, and start creating content. With time, you'll see traffic flowing in, and you'll be able to make commissions. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Join us. Let's get growing and learning how to create an income and grow ourselves. Thank you very much for watching.